Learn English with Titanic Movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 2 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Rush. Terrible. Scream. Brave. Aristocrat. When the ship hit the iceberg, people began to blank to the lifeboats. A. Scream. B. Rush. C. Terrible. Correct answer, rush. The sound of the ship breaking apart was blank. A. Brave. B. Rush. C. Terrible. Correct answer, terrible. Many people let out a blank of fear as the ship sank. A. Scream. B. Aristocrat. C. Terrible. Correct answer, scream. Jack showed how blank he was by trying to save Rose. A. Terrible. B. Brave. C. Rush. Correct answer, brave. Rose was born into a rich family, she was in blank. A. Brave. B. Aristocrat. C. Scream. Correct answer, aristocrat. Like, comment and subscribe.